In the old world, in the what we call the legacy search engine world, typically a merchandiser will have to configure synonyms, tell the system that khaki is a synonym of brown and khakis is a synonym for pants. In the new world, that happens automatically using natural language algorithms, using even some aspects of large language models like OpenAI, like Claude, like Gemini. We can build systems that make these matches automatic because we have what decades of search information historically
Yeah.
available in LLMs, right? So if an LLM can determine naturally the difference between khaki and khakis, why can't a search engine that's running the search for an e-commerce site do that? We want to reduce the workload on merchandisers and having to figure out what these synonyms and hypernyms and compound words and all these different dictionary things that they have to do to drive search. Instead of doing that, can we deploy the latest and greatest AI algorithms to do it for them so that they can focus on the creative aspects of merchandising and not these laborious linguistic circus that they have to manage and figure out to make things work properly?
Yeah.